here, guys. Guys, it looks like there's like a fair going on, and it is getting more busier, so it's probably where the fireworks are going to be. Look, you got toys, got some stalls down there. Pizza, got some rides. It's nice here, guys. So guys, if you're wondering why Hasnain isn't here or speaking, it's because he's too busy looking at all this. He's way too fascinated in looking at all these construction stuff. Like, look at this. Yeah, I think Hasnain's way too fascinated in these stuff. Got all these. Guys, look how cool this looks. She's like, ah yeah, Twister.
In this moving machine. Yeah, baby. Oh, we're gonna slow you down. We're gonna slow you down. We slow you down. We spin you around, 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 and around.
Apparently this is the place where all the fireworks are going to go off. Just like down there in the harbour, it's all going to go off. So all we're going to do is just wait for a bit and then we'll see all the fireworks.
we have a big cheer for Seaham County and their fellows to score 2025. Thank you very much, safe journey home and good night.
Guys, that was amazing. Those fireworks